Oh no! Hey guys, what you up to? Are you gonna move when I turn around, dapper gentleman? I placed a little red box over there and then a little ball over there. I'm just trying to see if there's someone here that I could talk to. You could make that rocking chair rock, make a sound, really anything. Make those mannequins over there move. I probably wouldn't like that. Wait, dude, I swear I heard something loud. It's almost like in this hallway. Let me just, just for funsies. Is there something here? I just heard a noise. Could you go off if there was something here? Or is something here? I don't know if you guys can hear that on camera. I'm hearing so many sounds. I feel like I'm hearing weirder sounds from upstairs. And the guy did say, upstairs was where more stuff happens. So maybe I should just head upstairs.